Hello, welcome back to House Build. This is episode 9. You remember in the last episode we were putting up some exterior walls? Well, this is how we're doing the exterior walls. What we do is lay 2 boards side by side, mark them at 16 on center. We'll put some stops in, and for this we're going to start using the Bostich cordless nailer. Works pretty good, no cord in the way. And we'll lay the board down along the base, get it lined up, and we got the top plate. Then we just throw down a bunch of 2x4s. They're 92 and 5/8 long. Square them up, and then we can lay down a bunch more 2x4s once we get this started, and we'll just nail those into place. And everything will be all set up. We can put our sheeting on the outside and set the wall up. So we'll just continue building our walls around the whole perimeter. So I set this at 16 inches on center. Got a few other ones set in the middle. Just got to line them up to my marks and go through and nail them all into place. You can see we're right on 16 inches. Once all my studs are nailed into place, I can get a piece of OSB, square it up to the corner, square up the walls, and tack it in place. And once I make sure everything is where I want it to be, I'll start nailing the perimeter of the board. Then I can go through the center, and you can see it's kind of marked right here from the factory, so that's where my stud lines up. If it's not exactly lined up there, you can also use that as a guide as to where your stud is. There's another one right here. And we just go through and nail the piece of sheeting to the studs. Put on the next one. Nail it around the perimeter, make sure everything's squared up, and then we can follow the same guidelines that are printed on the OSB sheet. Now this one I'm going to wrap with Tyvek wrapping first because it's a little bit higher off the ground. Be a little easier to do since this is a longer wall and it's off the ground. The last one we wrapped when it was on the house because it's right at ground level. So we've got it wrapped with our house wrap, and it's all built. So we'll go ahead and put this wall up, and you can see we've got some more walls done here. Go around the rear of the house. We have the bedroom window. And then this is the garage wall here. Looking to the back, that's the kitchen window. And it's going to be a sliding glass door there. And that'll be going out to a covered deck. We've got a few of the interior walls built up. And got some more framing crew working today. So they've got the garage walls set up and ready to put up. Got the front wall of the house ready to go up, and the garage wall is going up now. So we'll put that up and nail it into place. And then put the front wall up, you can see there's a bedroom window and a couple other windows as well, all around the stairwell. Should give some nice natural light to the great room. Let's take a look around the back again. Got our sliding glass door. Then we have the back bedroom window. And right about where the ladder is where the main bathroom is going to be. Coming around, we have the stairwell, the front bedroom window, window at the stairwell, window going into the great room. Now we have some interior walls done. This is going down the hallway into the master bedroom. The picture window towards the back. And you can see we have the master bath framed up. This is where the master bath is going to be located. Be a good size master bath. And over here we have the walk-in closet for the master bedroom. Now this walkthrough from the hallway here to the garage is going to be the laundry area. Let's take a look outside, what it looks like from the outside. So from left to right, we have the garage wall, the front door, window, and the bedroom window. And we also have our trusses that have been delivered. So check back in episode 10 of House Build. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for all the updates. I'm How To Bob. Thanks for watching.